fucking grot.
Did that get you?
Fucking grot.
What?
Fucking Mitchell.
Did not hit you from there.
You did, so you fucking sneezed over me back of me fucking head.
You fucking put that much mayo on it.
Fucking rude. Come on, Dylan, let's get going. Fuck, man, I'm gonna grow another fucking 2 years old if we sit here any longer. Mitchell! You fucking...
It did not get you.
Mitchell, you're being a fuckwit, now get out. Sit behind Dylan, you fuckhead.
It's a fucking dog.
Mitchell, shut your mouth.
Man.
Mitchell! That's snot! Pull over, Dylan. I'll fucking hit him in the fucking head. Get out, Mitchell. I'm telling you, I will fucking punch you in the fucking head.
Dylan, can you stop putting mayo on it when you fucking...
Pick your nose!